You can see here nice frame, very nice today. It's a triangular shape wood frame, so you can see the wood here. Alright, we're going to paint a taller tree. Let's put the strokes very taller like this one. Take the color. Alright, and another tree coming up at the same bottom but little bit other directions. Okay. Alright, so the branches are just spread out to the all over directions. You can see here. Okay. Now we're going to do the details of the branches. You can see the details are going on. Alright, these directions you can see the details of the tree. Okay, and other branch you can see here. So this one is almost done. Another branch you can see here. Okay, the other branch is going to be drawn here. You can see I'm just putting the light strokes of the branches. And that one is having the light strokes. Alright, few light strokes here for the another one. Okay. Alright, so two trees you can see here, just putting few, you can see the grasses at the bottom, just putting the grasses, all the greens here. Adding up some water to make the drawing a realistic one. You can see the extensions of the grasses to the upper directions. Okay. Now you can add a little bit blue color. From the sides. Okay, and putting it upwards. And adding up the colors to the whole frame. awesome. This is a very simple, easy and nice painting. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.